test drive the 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.